Alright, yo, I want to do a weekly review and weekly analysis again. So let's do that. Let's first go to Notion. So I blew a funded account, the 150k my funded futures account, I blew it. I'll show why and how. So that was here. Alright, so this account, we were up pretty good. We were up like 2%, I think exactly 2%. We got some really bad trades, and that's the reason I think that I blew up the account. So yeah, here it ended, and I blew it up on Wednesday. And I think it was more because of these days. I had like 3 days, and like a week ago another one, and then here, I think it was here. Like all my recent trades were trades where I went in at my draw on liquidity, and I got stopped out with a bit of drawdown, or 2 trades I even got stopped out with 1 tick. 2 trades, just 1 trade and then another, and then both got stopped out at the same tick, but here stopped out again, and then they went to TP. I think that was the first one. These are just lost trades, like lost trades to that was fine to take. Stopped out here. That's a win. Alright, so I think 2 losses here. Oh wait, let's see. Alright, so here. So that was the first one. So right here, it's just so, it doesn't make, yeah, it's just really sad. But SMT there, got it in on this candle because it inversed. Then got wicked out with 1 tick. And then I always say that I put my stop loss on the second highest candle, and that's this candle, and then a tick above because it's on the S. So I did that, and still with 1 tick got stopped out, and then price immediately ran. So that's the first. Then this fine trade to take. So that was the first loss. It would have been a 1 to 2 RR win. And then these are just crazy, these ones. So I took 2 trades. And these are how I should have been taking the trades. But look at this. So entered down here, targeting the equal highs. I added even 1 there because I was that confident that we were gonna go to those equal highs. So I even added a position there, or a contract there. And then as you can see, got stopped out there. And that was exactly that point there, because my stop loss was right there. And that's just, maybe I can show it in the Discord where I signed it to. Right here. So I got stopped out there, right with the tick. Then I added another one. And this is the second one. So added there, got stopped out with a tick, and then price just ran to that buy side liquidity. So that's insane. So 2 losses, and then total of 0 minus 1%. And then it should have been, because I was starting 2R there, it was around 2R, so it would have been at least another 2%. But now it was minus 1%. But it would have been 2% in plus, so I would have been 4% up on the account. And that was just crazy, that loss there. I think, yeah. And then here, it was just a fine loss. Oh yeah, and then another one that was from that was yesterday. That was my trade here. Alright, so there was just a back testing. So I took a trade here, and I was starting a 50-minute Reaper actually. I think it was here. So I was starting the Reaper here, and this was the trade that blew my account. That's just insane, but this is the trade that blew my account. So right here, I was actually going along here, and this that Reaper here. I was going along here. So we entered off a singular busy here. We got displacement. I entered on this candle here, and then my stop was right there. I was starting this buy side liquidity. So I was starting liquidity inside of a Reaper, and as you can see, that was actually insane here. So targeting liquidity there, and then we didn't have a SMT there. One tick, or like 2 ticks from my TP, and then price immediately ran stopped me out and then went to buy side liquidity. So it's just mentally it was so hard. And yeah, I think it was more of I believe that everything happens for a reason, and I think that this is because there were like there was like a bad habit that I had, and I think God just showed me that this is because of that bad habit. So it's totally gone now, that bad habit that I used to have. But I think it was because of that, and I honestly think that's the reason, because yeah, I've been saying to myself, don't do that anymore, and that's still I still was doing it, and I could see it in every trade that I took. I was just getting punished, or I was just getting learned a lesson, but I didn't learn from the lesson. But now I did, because I've seen so much. I've seen this all. It's just crazy. Like 2 times with a tick there, another time here with a tick there, and then if it all was just a bit of like if these stop losses were in total plus 5 ticks together, then I would have passed that funded account probably, or I would be like 0.5% off or something. But yeah, that's just crazy. But yeah, that's the account. So totally blown. So if you can see my funded futures, log in. Alright, so your account has failed the evaluation minus 4k. Yeah. So yeah, that was the account there, and it will reset once it automatically resets, but that's the end of this week, so I won't be trading on the funded account end of this week, or after this week, or this week. I won't be trading it this week. Yeah, just gotta have more patience. Probably this week I'm still deciding if I want to take a 50k top-step account and then trade on that, because I'll be on vacation at July 1st, and then I'll just be trading a bit on top-step, nothing crazy, just a 50k and nothing too mentally stressful. So I'll probably will be doing that, but I'm deciding if I want to buy it right now this week, or just wait a bit more and then just buy it when I'm on vacation, even though that doesn't make sense. But still, I'm going on 2 times on vacation in July and August, and I want to have that 50k account. Also, because I don't want to be trading the 150k account, even though it resets every month, 28. I don't really want to be trading that, because in July and in August I have really bad price action, or I can't really trade it. I've done a lot of backtesting, 2018, 2019, 2020, and my worst months are in November, December, July, August, and that's why I don't really want to take if I was up like 4% on this account, then I wouldn't want to be trading that. So I want to be trading that on a smaller size account, just a 50k account. But I probably will buy this and try it this week. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, that's it. But let's do our weekly analysis for DXY and QES. Let's first go to the economic calendar. So I will be trading today. Oh, we actually have. Oh no, I will be trading today. We had a medium impact news folder, but I'll be only trading the AM session, because we only had a new medium impact news folder. If we have a medium impact news folder, I will be only trading the AM session. So yeah, I'll be doing that. Tuesday, nice trading day. Wednesday, nice trading day. Thursday, nice trading day. And Friday, nice trading day. So a good week ahead. And then this is the last week, and then July 1st, I'm going on vacation, so next week. But let's do our analysis. Let's first go to DXY here. Alright, we're going here. That's nice. So DXY, I had the analysis. I was marking out this turtle soup here. If we go to dollar here. So dollar. I was marking out this turtle soup here. And we got that beautifully here. So I think this is now the range that we're in. So I don't even want to see it come there. So now we have a new range this side of here. And then if I look at this here, I look for a singular Fauvet gap. 12-hour, daily. Alright, so daily we have now a singular Daily for Ray gap, I marked out the equilibrium because we didn't have that daily for Ray gap at Friday, or on Friday. So let's mark that out. And then we also have that inversion of that singular leg inside of here, and that was only 8 hour. Yeah, 8 hour here. So what I want to see is I want to see at least a sweep of that sell side liquidity, and then the tap inside of that busy, and then probably that inversion as well because it's that close. And then from there I want to see reaction higher. As you can see, we have generated highs above here as well. So DXY already can see really simple analysis is what I want to see. So I want to see us go down here. I want to see us build a bit of structure here. Thorough soup this, low risk buy. Oops. And from here go higher, higher, trade through this high probably, and then go for IPTA 40 there. If you look at the IPTA 40 day look forward period, there we have a lot. So we have 40 days, 40 bars here, and then we have a lot of time still to take out that high there, but still. This is actually what I want to see. So sell side liquidity. So I'm not really doing that much crazy analysis on DXY anymore because I've seen that DXY really doesn't move that much with the indices intraday. It does sometimes, but most times it actually doesn't. And if you're too dependent on DXY while you're trading the indices on intraday, it really wouldn't move in tandem. So I'll just do like analysis where I know that where we want to have our open, I know where we will have our manipulation, and I know where we have our distribution. And it's the same how I use it a bit of intraday, so I don't go lower than 4 hour on DXY anymore. Really do not do that anymore. So this is our analysis on DXY. So sell side liquidity below this low, busy inversion for Ray gap, hold that, and then from there go higher. So let's do that now on the indices. So what I want to see on the indices, I want to see a bit as us go a bit higher and then go lower, because that's the open, high, and then or open, manipulation, distribution. Alright, so we're still in this market maker style model. As you can see here, on the 4 hour it would be making more sense. On the daily it would be market maker style model as well. So on the daily, horizontal consolidation, consolidation 1, consolidation 2, smart money reversal there. But if you just look, if you just zoom in a bit more, this is where the move started, because from here we go down. This is our original consolidation. I marked that out with that yellow box there. So there, and then I had the yellow box there as well, because that's the original consolidation. And then could have put a box there as well, Let's mark it out on ES as well. I'm not gonna really look at the body, so don't really care. I'm just marking it out. So we have sell side below this low. Equal lows there, that's the target for this week, at least. And then we have sell side below here as well. Even though it took out this low, we're now in a sell program, in my opinion. So that's why. So sell side there, and then we have sell side here, of course, as well. And then here, you have beautiful equal lows there, there, and there. Alright, so equal lows there as well. So we have 2 targets there. I don't expect us to run all the way. Oh, it could run all the way to the start, but not immediately, of course. But let's look at this leg here, because I now think that we're in a sell program. So let's look at this leg here. So a CB here, and then no CB there. Let's go on the 8 hour. 8 hour singular CB here. I actually wanted to see this previous week as well, this CB, but we didn't get that. So CB here, 8 hour again. Singular CB. And then on ES, we got liquidity inside of a CB. So I want to see this as a turtle soup. And then there as well, of course, an NQ. So we also have liquidity inside of that singular CB. So it's a really simple analysis